Hello, welcome back. And here we are at another episode of DIY Workshop. And today we're going to be replacing some cooler lines and some airlines. So, yep, stay tuned and enjoy the show. And here it is, a brand new set of hoses for the Rx8. Choose them in yellow so they can match the brake colors, the brake calipers. However, because I have the memory of a goldfish, I am not going to take the hoses from the car until I've and then replace all these in one go. I'm going to do it, take one from the car, replace from one of the new ones, and so on, because otherwise I'm going to plug in the wrong hose in the wrong place. So yeah, I'm going to open this up, lay it all out on the table, and then start working on it. Another thing I'm going to do as well is all of these brackets from the actual radiator and so on, they're all rusted, so I'm going to clean them up, give them a coat of paint while I'm at it. So that's the plan for today. Hello, this is Pedro from the future. So you might see some different things here on each one of these. That is because I did all of this work at the same time. So I am rearranging the videos in a chronological way, so it better tells the story. But for example, you might see some of the lines already put in when I was working on the aircon, etc., etc. But it will all make sense at the end, and it's a little bit of a, spoiler alert for the next 3 videos. All right, now back to the video. Well, I'm going to take the opportunity to clean this as well while I'm at it. It's not bad. One of the things you guys can do is actually get one of these like pliers and just put some electrical tape here so you don't scratch the paint on the new clamps, because these clamps come with the kit. They're new and they're awesome. Let's move on to the next one. There you go. Now reassemble shit together. And there you have it, all the hoses replaced and installed. The ones under the intake manifold were an absolute bitch to replace. Should take this off here because I don't need this anymore. Now what I need to do is I need to pressure test them, but I can only do, and I say pressure test them to see if there's any leaks, if the clamps are all good. But the problem is I can only do that once I get the radiator on, because of this one and the one there at the bottom, because, you know, unless I find a way to clog them properly, it's not going to be possible. So there you have it. Next one is going to be actually installing the radiator. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.